mouth makes changes from the beginning of the sounds to the end. It's pronounced A.
A.
Did you notice how my mouth changed shape? A.
A.
Now you try. Listen, watch, and repeat. A. A.
A.
Now here are some words that have the A sound. Face,
Face. Day.
break.
Break.
Now you try. Listen and repeat. Face,
Face.
day,
Day.
break.
Break.
Good. This is a diphthong, a double vowel sound. The shape the mouth makes changes from the beginning of the sound to the end. It's pronounced O.
O.
Did you notice how my mouth changed shape? Watch. O.
O.
Now you try. Listen, watch, and repeat after me. O.
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 Now here are some words that have the O sound. Boat,
Boat.
show,
Show.
know.
No.
Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Boat,
Boat.
show,
Show.
know.
No.
Good. This is a diphthong, a double vowel sound. The shape the mouth makes changes from the beginning of the sound to the end. It's pronounced ow.
Ow.
Now did you notice the shape of my mouth? Ow.
Ow.
Now you try. Watch, listen, and repeat. Ow.
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 Now here are some words that have the ow sound. Mouth,
Mouth.
now,
Now.
foul.
Foul.
Now you try. Listen and repeat. Mouth,
Mouth.
now,
Now.
foul.
Foul.
Good. From the beginning of the sound to the end. It's pronounced ear.
Ear.
Did you notice how the shape of my mouth changed from the beginning to the end of the sound? Listen and watch. Ear.
Ear.
Now you try. Listen again and repeat after me. Ear.
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 In fact, this is the same as the word ear, which you hear with. Now here are some words with this sound in them. Near,
Near.
here,
Here.
weary.
Weary.
Now you try. Listen again and repeat after me. Near,
Near.
here,
Here.
weary.
Weary.
Good.